exponent rules, okay? This is number 3. We have exponent raised to a power. X to the A raised to B. We're going to keep the base, multiply exponent, okay? And that gives us X equals A to the B power, okay? On your loose leaf, you can stay right here. On your loose leaf, these are the rules for number 3, okay? This goes on your loose leaf. Example 1, C to the 4th power raised to the 3rd power. You keep the base, multiply the exponents, your final answer is C to the 12th power. Okay? Example 2, y squared raised to the 5th power is equal to, same as y, 2 times 5. We multiply the exponents, y to the 10th power. Okay? Now I want you to try. You're to come to class with these completed. Y cubed to what power is equal to y to the 18th? Okay. Rule number 4. Xy raised to the A power. That means both will be multiplied by the exponent. And we end up with X to the A, Y to the A. Now let's go to the loose leaf. Rules for number 4. Examples. Example 1. We have XY raised to the 5th power. Okay? That's the same as X, an invisible 1 to the 5th power. Y to the invisible 1 to the 5th power. You know, if it's raised to a power, we'll multiply the exponents. So we get X to the 5th, Y to the 5th. Okay? Let's kick it up a notch. We have X squared, Y cubed, both being raised to the 4th power. That's the same as X squared to the 4th power times Y cubed to the 4th power. Each terms will be raised to the 4th power. And of course, we multiply the exponents, X to the 8th, Y to the 12th. Okay. Now I want you to try and solve this one. Bring it to class tomorrow. A to the 7th, B cubed, C to the 5th. All of it is going to be raised to the 6th power. What is the answer? Okay, rule number 5. X over Y to the A power is equal, means we have to multiply both by the exponent. It's similar to number 4, except for this is in fraction form. So each variable will get multiplied by the exponent A. Let's go to our loose leaf and let's write down some examples. Example 1. X over Y raised to the 5th power. Both of us is going to be multiplied to the 5th power. This is the final answer. Example 2. Again, we're going to kick it up a notch. Okay. X cubed over Y to the 4th. We're going to be raised to the 5th power. We have X cubed to the 5th power all over Y to the 4th to the 5th power. Notice each of us is going to be raised to the 5th power. And of course, when you have a power raised to a power, you multiply. So your final answer is X over 15, Y over 20. Okay. Now I want you to try one. This is your example. Bring it to class tomorrow, complete it. We have A to the 6th all over B squared raised to the 3rd power. Please solve it. Number 6, x to the 8th power. Never leave an exponent negative. Take a reciprocal and make exponent positive. We take the reciprocal of this. Notice it's not just x, it's 1 over x, but my exponent is positive. Go to the loose leaf. Let's write down our examples. Example 1, x to the negative 3. We take the reciprocal and make the exponent positive. Example 2, 1 over x to the negative 4. We take the reciprocal, it becomes x to the positive 4. And you try. Example 3, x to the negative 5 over y to the negative 7. Okay. Last rule, last but not least, x to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Therefore, your answer is 1, no matter what. Example 1, a to the 0 power, 1. Example 2, 1 million to the 0 power is equal to 1, no matter what. So you try this one. X to the x cubed. What is my answer? And that concludes that. You're to complete example 3s for each one. All I really need you to do is try. Have a great day.